Welcome to our how-to video for the Tinnitus Live Therapy and Sound Masking app. This tool is designed to help you manage tinnitus and find moments of calm through sound and breathing exercises. When you open the app, you'll see the noise section. Here you can choose from a spectrum of noise colors: white, pink, brown, blue, or violet, and adjust volume, modulation frequency, and depth to create a soothing background that masks ringing in your ears. Tweak each setting until the noise feels natural and comforting. Next, the beep section lets you generate gentle tones at your preferred pitch, volume, duration, and interval. If you enable Randomize Beep, the app varies the tone automatically, giving you a dynamic soundscape without constant manual adjustments. When Randomize is on, the fixed frequency control fades out to show that the tones are now varying on their own. The Breathe tab guides you through paced breathing with a growing and shrinking bubble and a countdown timer. Follow its inhale, hold, exhale rhythm to release tension, lower stress, and support overall relaxation. Finally, the how-to section offers this very video so you can revisit any feature whenever you need. Whether you want to mask tinnitus with tailored noise, focus with rhythmic beeps, or center yourself with breathing exercises, our app brings all these tools together in one place. Enjoy exploring each feature and finding the perfect combination for your well-being.